yoga. No, like your eyes get like big, like your green eyes. Like your eyeballs get like bigger, like your the white part, like the green part. Jake, go tell us to pick up Shantae. Where does Shantae live?
Okay, Shantae.
Jake? He thinks like that noise. He's like, oh, you're gonna like smack your head into my head. It's gonna hurt. Get out! He's leaving.
No, Beth!
Oh, his face. You're like that. You like stick out your teeth. Like stick like all your teeth out. So you're freaking. Dude, you should go to work today instead of like being here acting like a clown. You like roll your head into there like a turtle. Yeah. He's like a girl.